Hello everyone, I am Beaver. I am a unicorn in the metal sawing industry. This is my baby. He is called F120. He is in production at the customer's factory site. He is a fully automatic feeder, automatic feeding, rear clamp feeding device. Can be quickly cut according to the set size. The sawing speed is fast, the cross-section is smooth. I am Beaver. I am a unicorn in the metal sawing industry. I have many babies, they all have special skills. Who is my next baby? Where will he travel and adventure? What are his characteristics? What can he do? Which country will he work in? I will tell you as soon as possible.